Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bossy Tech. Today I am going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A50 mobiles. Let's do unboxing. Actually, it is a 6GB model and 64GB model. See the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy A50. Infinity U display, triple camera, on-screen fingerprint. Actually, it is first activated Indian SIM card. It is made in India, making India program. Actually, it is made in India only. Let's do unboxing. First, confirm the seal because the seal is if the seal is tampered, don't buy this product. See, this is the seal. You have to confirm before buying. Let's do unboxing. Yeah, this is the box. Samsung Galaxy A50. It's a black color model. Actually, it is bought from Flipkart. Flipkart. You can buy from Flipkart or Amazon for 17,999 rupees. I have provided the links below in the description. Please buy through this link if you want to buy this mobile. You will get 10% off on Flipkart and everything. This is the box. These are the manuals, that is kickstart guide and warranty card. This is regional log guide. Yes, we get a TPU case also. It is a rubber type case. Actually, it is a black color, not a white color. Some black color will not visible. It's a white color. It's a nice TPU case. Keep it there. Let us see what is inside in the box. This is the mobile. Keep it there. This is the charger cable. This cable is type C cable only. This is earphones. It is a normal earphones, not a good high-end earphones. It is a normal type of Samsung earphones. And the ejector pin. Actually, this is a fast charger, that is 9 volts, 1.67 watts and 5 volts, 2 amps. Adaptive fast charging. Yeah, keep it there. These are the nil. Keep it aside and let us start this one. By the time it boots up, let's see the specifications of this mobile. By the time it boots up, let's see the specifications of this mobile. By the time it boots up, let's see the physical overview of this one. This is the power button. This is the volume rocker, and this is the secondary microphone. The left side there is nothing, there only SIM tray is there, and back side is, bottom side is 3.5 mm jack and type C. And first this is the primary microphone, this is the speaker, and back side you will get 3 cameras, triple camera with the flash. Actually, the first camera is 25 megapixel and f1.7 aperture. This is the, and afterwards second camera is 8 megapixel and third camera is 5 megapixel. But both cameras are aperture f 2.0. Let's see the application specifications of this one. By the time it boots up, let's see the specifications of this mobile. Actually, by the time it boots up, let's see the specifications of this mobile. This mobile is powered by Gynos 9610 octa-core processor, 6 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory, 25 megapixel rear camera plus 25 megapixel front camera, Android 9.0, dual VoLTE, supports 3.5 jack and everything. Remaining are all same thing. Let's see the physical overview. This is the secondary microphone, volume rocker, and this is this power button. The left side we have the SIM tray. Bottom side we have 3.5 jack. This is the type C USB, primary microphone and the speaker phone. This is the front camera, the back camera. In back camera we have 25 megapixel f1.7 aperture, then 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture, 5 megapixel f2.0 aperture. Flash is also there. Let's start. By the time it boots up, see the specifications on the screen. Samsung Galaxy A50, secured by the Samsung Knox. Yeah, this is the let's quickly set up all these things. Let's quickly set up all these things. Skip for now. Skip all these things. Google services accepted. Not now. Skip anyway. Skip all these things. Later we will set up all these things. Finish, all done. Yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy A50. It's a nice wallpaper. Let's see, some downloads are going on. Some downloads are that Wi-Fi is connected. See the notification here. No NFC is there. Smart menu always display, navigation bar, synchronous night mode, Dolby atmosphere, everything powered by Bixby. All are there. There is no lot of bloatware. Just 2 to 3 4 apps. These and all bloatware. Let uninstall all this one. Primary Amazon, primary Max. This is a daily and they remove this bloatware. These are not required. Okay, I will remove later. See the specification of this one. Software information. Actually, it is run on One UI 1.1 version and powered by Android version 9.0. It's a security Android security patch level latest 7 July, but it is not updated, so we will update it later. Let's see how much memory we got it. Storage, see, out of 64 GB, available space is 49.7 GB. So system user data is 14.3. Out of 64 GB, 14 point used, so remaining 49.7 is there. Let's see how much RAM is using. Total RAM is 6 GB, actually using 1.9 GB, so available space is 3.5 GB. So battery is 4000 mAh battery. See all this wallpaper, connection, sounds, notification, display. In display, blue light is in mode, night mode is there, and display is in that also. Accidental touch sensitive screensaver and everything is there. Actually, is a auto bright sensor is there, and the brightness will be automatically adjusted according to the light. Yes, wallpapers, and actually it is a dual VoLTE mobile. Facebook, fingerprint, finger lock, face lock, and everything is secure folder. Everything is there. Device application, general management. In general management, time and reset, everything is there. So actually, it's a very good mobile. It's all, everything is, no bloatware is there. It's a fluid and everything. Actually, it's a good screen and good is there. Let us see the camera, how it is look like. Yeah, see the nice camera. We will take this photo. This is a good camera. See the how in detail it is coming. Yeah, it's a nice, see how it is coming. Nice camera. Full detail is